What's the meaning of condominium? Condominium. Condominium.
Condominium. Condominium. A condominium is a type of housing where individuals own their units but share ownership and maintenance of common areas, such as hallways and recreational facilities, with other unit owners in the complex. This type of property ownership is popular in urban areas and offers individuals the opportunity to own property without having to worry about maintaining the exterior or shared spaces. Condominiums can range from small apartments to large high-rise buildings with numerous amenities. Overall, condominiums provide a flexible and convenient form of homeownership for many individuals.